Okay, let's continue. So this is solve problems involving systems of equation, right? Okay, let's read the question. Patricia invested, okay, RM 24,500 in 3 unit trusts. So they invest to 24,500. Okay. She divided the money into 3 different unit trust accounts, PQR. So dia invest, dia bahagi kepada 3 account lah. PQR, okay. At the end of the year, she obtained a profit of RM 1,300. So profit at the end of the year dia dapat banyak ni. Okay. And then the annual dividends for the accounts are 4%, 5.5% and 6% respectively. So annual dividend, so dia ada 3 account tadi. Account P 4%, account Q she get 5.5%, account R dia dapat 6%. Okay, tadi dia invest 24,500. Okay, okay, so you read, you understand and then take out all the information yang penting-penting you keluarkan. Okay, so dalam kes ni you faham dia invest 24,500 and then dia divide the money into 3 accounts, okay, PQR. And then from this account at the end of the year dia dapat profit sebanyak ini, okay. From this account P 4%, Q 5.5% and R she get 6%. Okay, so you understand PQR here represent the amount of money lah, okay. Alright. Okay, next, the final amount of money in account P. The final, so P represent the amount of money, right? So based on this sentence, the final amount of money in account P, okay, is equal sign 4 times that 4 times that in account Q. So you get one equation here. Okay, how much money, okay, soalan tanya how much money did she invest in each unit trust account. So dia nak tanya how much money in account P yang dia invest lah, account P, Q and R. Soalan tanya, okay, soalan tanya the amount money in each account, unit trust P, account P, account Q and account R. Okay, so ini benda-benda penting yang you baca tadi. Okay, next from the question. Okay, now next. Okay, so based on this situation, let's see what equation yang kita boleh dapat. So this is system of equation. Of course, you need to form equation to represent all this information. Okay, so here you understand. Okay, so based on the information given, P, Q and R here represent the amount of money, okay, yang dia invest lah, right? So sekarang dia invest banyak mana? Dia invest 24,500, right? So maknanya kita boleh daripada ayat ni, she invest 24,500 and then 24,500 ni dia divide into 3 accounts. She divided the money into 3 different accounts, okay, PQR. So from this we can form an equation. Total money, okay, from account P, account Q and account R is 24,500. So done. That is the first information yang kita dapat, okay, daripada ayat ni. Okay, daripada ayat dia invest 24,500 and then she divided the money into 3 different accounts. So total money from this account plus this account plus this account is 24,500. Next, the second equation. How to get the second equation? And then ada dalam soalan kata, okay, she obtained a profit of RM 1,300, okay, macam mana dia dapat, so a profit tu comes from this account P, Q and R. Okay, okay, so how to get the profit, macam mana? So dia bagi tahu, she obtained a profit of RM 1,300. The annual dividend from account P, Q, R dia bagi. So maknanya kalau kita nak dapatkan profit from account P, okay, 4%, mestilah kita ambil dividen banyak mana darab dengan jumlah duit dalam account, betul? How to get the profit? You ambil dividen dia berapa, okay, let's say account P, dividend is 4% times total amount money in account P is P lah. Okay, so it is 0.04p. Okay, untuk account P 0.04p dia punya profit. Account Q, okay, of course you ambil dividend 5.5% times total money dalam account P, Q lah. Okay, in this case is Q because kita tak tahu, sebab tu kita nak kena cari. So 5.5% is 0.055. Okay, 5.5 over 100, you move how many decimal point? 1, 2. So the new decimal point is here 0.055. Q. Okay, next. Account R. The same, how to get the profit? Dividend. Dividend dia 6% of money in account R. So 6% adalah 0.06 R lah. Okay, so maknanya, so from here, okay, from this information, okay, from this information, okay, right, we get one equation. Total profit is RM 1,300. So maknanya you plus everything from account P, from account Q and from account R. Okay, your second equation. This one tadi dia investment dia total investment dia adalah ini 24,500. So this is your first equation. Okay, next, the third equation memang kita dah dapat tadi bila kita baca, kita ada ni. Okay, stated the final amount of money in account P is 4 times that in account Q. Okay, baca ayat and then write it in mathematical symbol. Okay, next, let's solve these three equations. So since right now you have, this is linear equation in 3 variables, right? Okay, since I dah nampak my third equation, okay, P is already the subject, so I want to use substitution method. Okay, let's use substitution method. So how to use the substitution method? The first step is always determine which variable you want to make as your subject. Right, so in this case we make P as our subject, okay, from the third equation. Okay, why we must make P, why we must make one of the variable as your subject? Because right now we have 3 variable. Okay, 3 variable, that is P, Q, R. Then after we make one of the variable as your subject, okay, you will kita akan jumpa hanya 2 variable. Okay, so you can see if you make P as your subject, okay, if let's say I put in this equation, okay, all the equation right now is in terms of Q and R or only, because you make P as your subject. If you make P as your subject, okay, your next equation, okay, you akan jumpa in terms of Q and R only. And then the next step, we want, okay, all the equation in terms of 1 variable. Okay, from 3, okay, you make one of the variable as your subject, become 2 variable only. and then from here, okay, substitute one more time. Okay, finally you akan jumpa hanya one variable. Then you can solve. Okay, let's solve. Okay, so from here, ingat lagi saya ajar, saya kata apa? First, after you choose which one you want to make as your subject, then it's from here. Okay, saya kata this equation, okay, alright, you kena tembak dalam ini, the second one, dan juga dalam the first equation. Sebab tadi, okay, so from here you kena tembak dalam ni, in the second and in the first equation. Okay, let's tembak. So now since we make P as our subject, all the P here, right, substitute in your second and first equation. Okay, let's substitute in the first equation first. P is 4Q. Plus Q plus R. Okay. Then, this one, 5Q. Okay. Now, since you tembak 3 in 1, okay, now this equation I labeled it as 1A. So you can see you have two variables only right now. So now we have two variables only. Okay. Next, dah tembak dalam ni, 3 in the second. Now 3 tembak dalam 2. Okay. So you have 0.04 P. P right now is 4Q. Plus Q plus 0.06R equal 1,300. So when I solve this and this, I have 0.215. Okay, 0.215 punggung dia Q. Okay, plus 0.06R equals 1,300. Okay, so now label 2A here. Okay, because from the second equation. Okay, now you can see you have 1A and 2A. So once again, I want to use, so let's solve these two equations, this and this equation. So let's use substitution method. Now I can see I can make R as my subject from 1A. Okay, from 1A, let's make R as your subject. You will have 2, 4, 5, 0, 0. Positive become negative. Okay, so this one, let it be your 1A1 equation. Okay, so 1A1 masuk dalam 2A. So R is 24500 minus 5Q. Plus 0.06 times R. R is this one, equals 1,300. Okay, this one, let's expand it first. Okay, 0.06 times 24500 1470. Okay, 0.06 times 5, 0.3, but here negative, 0.3Q. Okay, next, you can use your calculator. You can key in all this in your calculator, okay? Or kalau you nak buat manual, this one punggung Q, this one punggung Q, okay? 0.215 minus 0.3, you get negative 0.085, okay, punggung Q. And this one 1,300, positive become negative 1470, negative 170. Okay, and then 170 divided by 0.085. Q is 2,000. Okay, negative positive. Okay, once you get Q, okay, you can find R. Substitute in 1A. Okay, so kalau guna substitution method, selalu pilih yang mana so if you use substitution method to find the next variable, okay, you have Q, so choose the equation which consists of two variable only, and always choose the one that you want to find as your subject. So R is 24500 minus 5Q. Q is 2000. Solve 24500 minus 5 times 2000. 14500. Okay. Next. Q done, R done. The next one is P. So from here P is for Q kan? P is for Q. Okay. So pilih yang benda yang kita nak cari tu. Okay, kalau you nak cari P, pilih yang kepala dia P, subjek dia P. Jangan pilih benda yang susah. Jangan pergi masuk dalam ni. Banyak kan? Dalam ni tak boleh lah. Bukan tak boleh, boleh. Nanti susah, complicated. Okay, Q tadi apa? Q 2000. So 4 times 2000 lah, 8000, right? Okay, done. So okay, total. So the amount of money in unit trust account P is 8000 ringgit. Q account 2000 ringgit and R 14500 ringgit. Done. Okay.